The Heartland Flagging is an exclusive product here at Plymouth Quarries. It comes out of Oklahoma. It's a fossilized ocean floor stone. This is the caramel color. This flagging here is about 1 to 2 inches thick. Then there are other pieces like this one here that are 3 to 4 inches thick. And this has the full range of color, which is the lavender, gray blue, and the caramel. These larger pieces are great to just drop in for platforms or larger scale stepping stone or patio projects. Now, you can also create something with a color range like this in this fire pit flagging area, or walkways like this with talented stonemasons who know how to cut this type of stone. We also have tabletops that range in 8 feet long to 4 feet wide from 2 to 4 inches thick. And this is the Heartland Flagging Stone, and it comes from Oklahoma, only here at Plymouth Quarries.